What if this is your last chance? What if today is only shot you get to change your life? Would you still wait? Would you still waste time thinking instead of doing? Life doesn't always give second chance. Sometimes the opportunity you have right now is only one. So do not take it lightly. Do not wait for tomorrow. Tomorrow is not promised. What you do today matters. This moment could be the one that changes everything. You have been dreaming, thinking, planning, but now it's time to act, time to move, and every second you wait is a second you would not get back. What if this is your last chance to start, to speak up, to chase that dream you have been holding in your heart? Do not let fear stop you. Do not let doubt control your future. The pain of regret is far worse than the pain of trying and failing. One step can change your story, one decision can shift your path, but only if you take it. Only if you choose to move now. Waiting feels safe, but it steals your time. This is your moment, this is your shot. You do not need to have it all figured out. You just need to begin, because doing something now is always better than doing nothing at all. People often wait for the perfect time, but what if perfect time is right now? What if the window is open and it would not stay open forever? You owe it to yourself to try, to push, to give it everything you have got. You owe it to your future self to not give up. Do not walk away from your dreams just because the road is tough. Walk through it, fight for it, because this could be your last chance, and you do not want to live with what if is. So stop holding back, stop waiting. The time is now. The chance is now. What if this really is your last chance? Make it count. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to Mr. Sketch.